Unleashing Prosperity: How to Get Rich in the 2024 Recession. Welcome to Financial Odyssey, and welcome back, Odyssey Navigators. This is where your journey to wealth and wisdom begins. Also, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Now let's get this party started. Welcome to this enlightening journey where we'll explore financial strategies to not just survive, but thrive during the 2024 recession. Let's take control of our financial futures together. The first step to prosper in a recession is understanding what a recession is. It's a significant decline in economic activity, which can offer unique opportunities. We need to embrace a proactive mindset. Instead of fearing a recession, see it as a time of potential growth and opportunity. This perspective can turn challenges into stepping stones. Remember, even during a recession, money doesn't disappear, it just changes hands. Understanding this fact is vital for your financial growth. Now, let's understand our financial position. Recessions expose vulnerabilities in our financial plans. It's time to analyze where we stand. The next step is to create a robust financial plan, a roadmap to guide you through the economic turbulence, ensuring you stay on course. A strong financial plan starts with budgeting. It's time to trim any excess spending and focus on saving. You'll be surprised how much you can save with a little discipline. Invest in an emergency fund. This fund will act as your financial safety net, protecting you from immediate hardships during a recession. Also, invest in a health insurance plan. Most people overlook this, but health issues can decimate savings rapidly. A good health insurance plan can save you from this financial disaster. Once your security nets are in place, let's move to asset allocation. Ensure your investments are diversified across different asset classes. Don't shy away from investing in stocks during a recession. Yes, the market might be down, but remember, this is an opportunity to buy shares at discounted prices. Keep an eye on real estate investments as well. Recessions often bring property prices down, making it an ideal time to invest if you're financially ready. Investing in gold and other precious metals can also be a smart move. They serve as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Consider adding bonds to your portfolio. They offer steady returns and an extra layer of security during unpredictable times. Remember, investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience and discipline. Let your investments grow over time. Don't forget about your retirement planning. Consistent contributions towards your retirement fund can lead to significant wealth accumulation. Now let's talk about reducing debt. High-interest debt can eat into your savings. Aim to pay off these debts as soon as possible. Use the snowball or avalanche method to tackle your debts. Remember, the key is to stay consistent. Also, try renegotiating your interest rates. Lenders are often willing to lower rates during recessions to maintain their customer base. Next, explore side hustles. These can provide an extra income stream and can be scaled into a full-time business in the future. Don't ignore personal development. Invest time and money in gaining new skills. They can open up new economic opportunities. Keep networking. It's all about who you know, especially in a recession. The right connections can open doors you didn't even know existed. Remember, in every crisis, there's an opportunity. Some businesses thrive during recessions. Identify them and consider investing. Don't let fear rule your decisions. It's natural to feel scared during a recession, but don't let it paralyze you. Take calculated risks. Resilience is key. Recessions are temporary. Stay focused on your long-term goals, and you'll come out stronger on the other side. Protecting your credit score is vital. A good credit score can help you secure loans at better rates and save money in the long run. Finally, keep a positive mindset. Wealth accumulation is not just about financial strategies, but also about maintaining a positive attitude. Remember, this is only a guide. Tailor these tips to fit your financial situation and goals. Everyone's journey to riches is unique. Don't be afraid to seek professional help. Financial advisors can provide valuable insights and help you navigate the rough waters of a recession. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. They're stepping stones to success. Learn from them and keep moving forward. The journey to riches is not a sprint, but a marathon. Embrace the process and enjoy the journey. That's it! The blueprint to get rich in the 2024 recession. Now it's time to act. Start implementing these tips today. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Here's to your financial success in the 2024 recession and beyond. Remember, the change starts with you. Go out there and create your financial destiny. We believe in you. Hey there, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Remember, it's all about navigating your path to wealth and wisdom. Share this video to spread the knowledge. Stay informed, keep investing, and ensure your future security. Until next time, here's a free tool to help you build wealth and unlock potential income. It's a game changer. Look in the description below to learn more. Do not forget to grab my free ebook on my website. Plus, I've got something exciting. You can get life insurance for added protection for your family for as little as $15 a month.